Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Physical harm. These loud, quick bursts are commonly distressing to many dogs. They can cause irreversible ear damage including tinnitus or loss of hearing. It's best to keep your dog at home in as quiet a place as possible while fireworks are in use. Playing some music to mask the gunpowder claps can be soothing.
Take our lead.
The noise and unpredictability of fireworks leads many dogs to perceive them as a threat. This triggers their fight or flight response. Your dog may bark at the noises or try to run away and hide. He may show other signs of anxiety, too, like restlessness, panting, pacing and whining.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tweet this. When the fireworks, thunderstorms or other sudden, loud noises start, help your noise-phobic dog deal with it using science. Fireworks may be fun for people, but they sure can wreak havoc in a household with pets. Dogs are particularly prone to having panic attacks or anxieties triggered by loud noises.
Take our lead.
Fireworks contain hazardous chemicals such as potassium nitrate, which is an oxidizing agent. They can also contain charcoal or sulfur and coloring agents, which are potentially dangerous heavy metals. When ingested, pets can develop gastrointestinal issues like vomiting, a painful abdomen, and bloody diarrhea.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.